Hello and welcome to our Postgraduate Research app, a one-stop platform for managing requests, quotations, documents, and real-time support. This Android app was built in Android Studios using Kotlin with Android SDK 35. It uses Firebase authentication for secure sign-in, Cloud Firestore and real-time database for the data, Firebase Cloud Messaging for notifications, and Firebase Storage for document uploads. The UI is fast and scalable with recycler view adapters, and we've also used Glide for smooth image handling. Now that our emulator is running, let's get started. On the start page, you'll be greeted by our logo with Postgraduate Research app below that. Let's click on Getting Started. This will then redirect you to our login page, where you can insert your email or password if you're an existing user, as well as reset your password with forgot password or even register an account if you don't have one. We'll come back to those two options towards the end, but for now, we'll log in with existing credentials. After putting all the correct information in, we're going to click on Login. After logging in, you'll be greeted by a nice welcome message at the bottom of the screen and redirected to the home page. From here, you can click on your dashboard, service requests, document upload, chat, quotation, feedback, resources, notifications, and even your settings. Let's start off with the dashboard, and from here you can see your project progress and your task status. They both have progress bars and tell you how much percentage has been completed. You also have an option to filter by date, where you can input the start date as well as the end date. You can also filter by service type by clicking the drop-down menu below. In here, you can select all, proofreading, editing, coaching, research assistance, plagiarism check, and even formatting. Once you're done configuring your settings, you can apply filter or even reset. We've color configured the buttons to make it easier for users to identify. Below that, you can see all your quotations and see if they're completed or still pending. Next, we're going to go to service request. Here you can select your service type, the urgency, word count, and even upload supporting documents. Let's click on the select service type drop-down menu, and in here you can see options like proofreading, editing, coaching, research assistance, plagiarism check, and even formatting. In the Select Urgency drop-down menu, you can click on how urgent the matter is from low, medium to high. Under that, we'll input our word count, and when we click on Upload Document, it will allow you to access files from your cell phone. Once we've put in all the necessary information, we can click Submit Request. Once we've done all that, you'll then see a message at the bottom of the screen saying the request has been submitted successfully. You'll then be redirected to a screen where you can see all the quotations. Next, we're going to click on Document Upload. From here, you can upload drafts, proposals, and even data sets. Clicking on the buttons will allow you to access all your files so you can upload anything you'd like. You also get a button that allows you to offline sync. Now moving on to chat, in here you can see all the conversations you've had with other users. You can open a chat, send a message, and even upload a document, and it will show the timestamp underneath the message. In the quotations menu, you see all the quotations that I showcased earlier in the video. From here, you can accept or even download them. In the feedback menu, you can rate your consultant from 1 to 5 stars. And if you'd like, you can also type a message for feedback. After clicking on Submit, you'll see a message at the bottom of the screen saying that your feedback has been submitted. In Resources, you can see all the provided resources given to you. In here, you can search by category or even download the materials. After clicking on the button, you'll then see a message at the bottom of the screen saying that the resources are being downloaded. In Notifications, you can see your notification and alerts to make it easier for users to see what has been done. Now moving on to Settings, in here you can select your language from English to isiZulu to even Afrikaans. For account, you can update your profile as well as reset your password. In Update Profile, you can change your first name, surname, and even your email. Clicking on Log Out will then take you back to the login screen. From here, we'll then register a new user and we'll be redirected to the register page. Here we can put in our first name, surname, email, password, and then it will ask you to confirm the password. Let's put all that in. We'll click on Register, and you'll see a message at the bottom of the screen saying that registration was successful. Now that we're back on the login page, we'll then enter the details that we've just created. After logging in, you'll then see the welcome message that we got in the beginning at the bottom of the screen again. Let's go back into Settings, then reset the password. It'll ask you to input the registered email. After clicking on the Send Reset Link button, a link will be sent straight to your email. Let's log out and you'll be redirected to the login page once again. That will conclude our presentation for today. Thank you for watching.